Hey, this is Farad and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a loop video inside GoHighLevel. So let's get in. I'm just going to edit this page. Okay, this is a random page, and now we can take an element countdown in, and we can set the countdown time with the record time, and we can also style it as well. So in this the field, you can see there is the in time, in date, and in time. So today is first August. So let's and 3:42. So let's make it 4 p.m. Sorry, 4 p.m. So it's showing that 10 hours 17 minutes, maybe a little off, maybe. Okay, so it's showing 2 hour and 17 minutes. If we say and check the preview, so we can see it's 2 hours 17 minutes and 9 seconds. And if I reload it, and we will see it's getting this time. It's changing the time. It's not a loop. It's just a specific time, but we need a loop to create urgency. So this feature, this types of countdown is not good for um, loop time loop countdown. So for that we need to create a addition of the HTML script. I'm deleting it. HTML. Now I need to change the now I need to set a JavaScript code inside of this code editor. I have the code already in my system, and I will share this code uh, in this in the YouTube video description so that anyone can get it. And now we need to close it with the script as it is JavaScript file. So I need to close it with script tag. This script. Sorry, there is a typo mistake. So the color has been changed. That means it's good and it's working. We also need to set HTML. So the system already in, but we need to add some CSS based on the design we have. So I'm just going to set a CSS code there. Now let's see the preview of this countdown. So now I can see it's a 15 minute actually. It's downing this problem. Now reload it. It will start from again 15 minutes. If I reload it again, so as many times we reload it will create this custom timer. So this is maybe not ethical, but it's really effective in sales. Hope this video will help to create these types of custom loop countdown in GoHighLevel.